Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll take a look at how to add Klarna to Big Cartel. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now let's just go into our Big Cartel account and let's go all the way to our account settings right here. And then if we go all the way down, there is this section right here where we can go ahead and take a look at setting up a payment option. So there are two payment options at the moment, which is Stripe and PayPal. So if we go ahead and click on this, we can go ahead and connect our Stripe account and our PayPal account as well. But how do we connect our Klarna account on this? Well, we can actually connect our Klarna account using our Stripe account. So if you don't have a Stripe account already, then make sure to create one so that you can go ahead and use this feature. Now, if we take a look at the options right here from Big Cartel itself, as you can see here, if we go all the way down, within Stripe, you can go ahead and connect your Stripe account and you should be able to go ahead and accept payments via Apple Pay, Klarna, Google Pay, USD bank transfers, and many more. So as you can see here, Stripe currently supports Klarna, and that's how you're able to connect your Klarna account to Big Cartel. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.